Hey guys, Czar here with a sore throat. Just pardon my voice if you can. I've been kind of developing all day here. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Watching these charts, it is 12:28, almost 12:30. So coming out of the first part of the twilight zone, the lunch hour well after Europe and the UK have closed. It's still kind of lunch hour here for the North Americans, but we're seeing this consolidation, which is typical twilight zone behavior. This is the Dow. I'm going to show you the S&P as well. Taking a moment to load. There we go. Consolidation again. This is the New York session, right? This is New York morning, selling off, consolidation, and now congestion period in here. And then the NASDAQ, same thing. Got some kind of sideways action going on here. Looking to go lower though. We're down 125 points in the NASDAQ for the futures trading session, which started at 6 p.m. last night, and it's now 12:30 the next day, afternoon. I'm going to be watching this very closely. This candle closes in 35 seconds, by the way. But I wanted to just give you a quick update on what I'm looking at here. You'll see that there's not much in terms of signals or setups here for me, but I am watching the Dow here, 25 seconds to go in this chart, and it seems to be bucking the trend a little bit here. I'll show you the sisters grid. Just going to quickly reset that. Very, very messy in theory. This is that sideways stuff. This is a 1 minute chart, by the way. The sideways action I was telling you about, and you could see it on that 30 minute or the 15 minute chart. This is the 15 minute chart that I was on. I can't remember if I said that or not. And so a lot of messiness here. I'd be looking for a breakout from this zone to even consider taking a trade. So watching now, new candle on the 15 minute for the Dow. I'll put you on pause for now, and I'll bring you back if anything materializes here. Pause now. All right, guys, we're back. Here's what I'm going to do. Buy stop order above these wicks. You see these wicks right there? A little bit higher, right about there. It's looking for a 30-point move here on the Dow. Coming out of the first part of the twilight zone. This is very often when volume sort of picks up here a little bit. I'm going to move this over so you can see where this would actually be. Yeah, I think it's safe to go for 30. So we had a break and close. You see that above these bodies? Not convincing at all, right? All these wicks here in the way and so on. It's only because of the time of day. Sorry guys, I had to cough and I put the microphone on mute. I hope because of the time of day that I'm willing to entertain this. I'll put you on pause for now. Try not to talk here too much, guys, but watching this very closely. Here we go. And in, guys, I'm triggered in now. Here we go. Targeting 897. Give me one moment. Trying to make sure I have my brackets in the right place on my own platform. This is a version of a zone reversal, guys, but it's also a zone break. And what I mean by that is this. You'll see that we came all the way down here to a major zone. Let's go to the 30 minutes so we can really see it. Drove down, zone reversal, going back up. So slightly bigger picture, it is a zone reversal trade, but it's also a minor zone break trade when we drop down to the 15-minute. And for the sake of continuity, I'm going to say this is a zone reversal trade. That's the category I'm going to use it because that really is the overriding principle. Is this idea here that this is a 10-minute chart, by the way. You can see this very wicky action, right? Sideways action, indecisive market. When you see that, these bodies are very much landing and finishing in the middle of the range of those candles. Then we have one candle that rallies, closes above this wick, and these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wicks back here, and all of these bodies, and then a break above, and that's essentially what this trade is all about. So zone reversal. I want to see the best way to show this. I think this is the way to do it on the 30-minute chart. Zone reversal going higher, targeting 30 points. I am watching the Three Sisters. It's not overly constructive. And watching now, we're pushing up a little bit here. I'm actually going to increase this target, guys, to 40 points. 40 points, because now we're getting a little bit later. Had to wait a little bit here. Had you on pause, of course. And as we get closer to 1 o'clock, more participants typically show up into this market, and good things begin to happen here. Looking for 40 points. Second trade of the day, guys. First trade was also, was a 40-point winner. Was also going for 40 points and was able to get it. That was a short on the Dow. This, of course, is a long. Second trade. Focus now. Patience. It's 12:44. In 30 seconds, it'll be 12:45. New 15-minute candle. Let's go to the 15 and see what's going to happen here on this new candle. This is the 15-minute chart now. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New candle. Likely to see a bottom wick form here, so pull back. Prefer if there wasn't one for once. But there it is. The start of it anyway. Now, a reasonable bottom wick is good. A very deep bottom wick is not good. It's counterproductive to the trade. To see something there. Just wanted to see how many points we achieved on that wick. You can see that it was about, I think it was about 24 or so. Yeah, 20, 23, 24. Patience now. Put you on pause for now, guys, and bring you back. You can see what we're trying to accomplish here. I'll just leave this as is and put you on pause. And we just had a little spike there very, very suddenly, but did not hit targets. Maybe we will now. Let's take a look. One more push, and and there it is. I was going to say my platform hit targets. Another 40 points there, guys. Second trade of the day. 40 points for the first, 40 points for the second. We're being very patient today, very choosy on our setups. The first short was down here, and the second long was up here. All zone-related trades, very easy to see after the fact. And what I'm trying to teach you or to show you is how to identify those for yourself so that it becomes relatively self-explanatory. Thanks for joining me, guys. Have an amazing afternoon. We will talk soon. Take care.